Nobody sees me the way that I do. Everybody wants me to be so depressed, but I'm better than that. They can keep the stress because the world don't see me like I do. The world don't see me like I do. You might think I'm going crazy and about.
Hey guys, so I decided that I was just gonna start vlogging on this camera. Yes, the sound quality isn't all that great. I do not know where the mic is. Yeah. I just uploaded the new vlog, and like I said, yes, the sound quality isn't the best on this, but it's at least something for now. It's got a better quality with filming. But new vlog is already up. If I can get it around there, see? And it's called Warnings, because people need to be warned, or have been warned. And sorry for the really jumbling around. I've got a bigger camera, so I've got to get used to handling it. I'm hoping I get a smaller camera soon, like a thinner camera. In case you guys are wondering, I use the Canon PowerShot SX120IS. It's a 10 times zoom, optical zoom, and it's 10 megapixels. But I think this is it for now. Probably not going to do anything else today. I know, not a very boring, or not a very interesting life. It's a very boring life. At least for me anyways. Maybe if I can get a hold of JoJo, we can go out to Emporia later, and if not, then, well, we ain't doing anything. But don't think there was anything else. But I'll let you guys go for now, and see you later. I just wanted to say that yes, we are going out tonight, I guess. She just called me a little bit ago, and yes, I just put my contacts in because I didn't want to wear my glasses tonight. So my eyes are watering, but so we're going out tonight. I'm going to meet her down the road, and then we are heading out to Emporia. So, because I can't get your guys' opinion, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing, and let me know in the comments down below if you like it. So, or give me a thumbs up if you like it. Something different. But, alright, see you guys later. So, I'm just going comfy tonight. Yes, I know that sounds very weird. But, I'm just wearing my Angry Birds shirt. And because I am from Indiana, the cold right now does not bother me. So I am going to be wearing these. And I may want to check the temperature first, because last night I thought it wasn't going to be very cold, and it did wind up getting very cold. So I'm going to check the temperature first, and if not, then I'm just going to wear a pair of jeans. That's it. Either which way, I'm wearing my slippers, which I'll show you my slippers. Yay, slippers! Yes, those are both of them. I'm weird and stack mine like that. But anyways, I will wind up probably vlogging from my phone if I do anything with JoJo, or if we vlog at all. But if not, this will be it for tonight. And I'm sorry if the camera keeps going really low. I've got to build up the muscle in my arms. So, yeah, I think that's it for tonight. Or at least right now. If we see you later, we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so I changed my mind on the pants, even though it's supposed to be warm out. That way, in case, it's actually supposed to be like 52 as a low. Right now, it is only, I think it said like 62. So, about a 10-degree difference right there, and I'm pushing around my trash. Anyways, so yeah, I decided to change my mind, and that was really close up. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I gotta get going. But, yeah, so I decided to change my pants into my really long black pants. They're like really super fluffy, and well, not fluffy, but poofy. I don't know how to describe it. They aren't tight to my legs. They're really loose. They're baggy. But, so yeah, that's it for now, and I'm going to get going before I keep rambling, because that's what I do. I ramble. So, talk to you guys later.
Going through hard times, but I'm still on track, and the world don't see me like I do. The world don't see me like I do. I done had it up to the top of my twisted hair of hearing I'm an idiot. What is it with this? I ain't scared. Yeah, life sucks, but I'm living it, so get with it. Don't